We have built a Visualforce page that displays all the positions that are open approved. We just need to create a site and link it to the Visualforce page. This site can be a career portal that displays all the open positions in the company for anyone across the world. To create a site, you can navigate to Develop and Sites. You get to choose a name for the site. This would be a subdomain of force.com. I'll just try to look up this name, Universal Containers Job Portal. I'll cut it short, UC Job Portal. Looks like it's available. I agree to the terms and register my subdomain. I call this site a job portal. This site displays all the open approved positions in the company. Make the site active. Link this site to the Visualforce page that we created. I can choose to upload a favicon. Track the site visits by using Google Analytics. I don't really need any of that right now. Let me save this. I also need to configure the public access settings for the site. I want to make sure that anyone can see all the records on the site. I can do that by giving View All Data access. And saving this. Let me click on the site to see if it works. Anyone can see all the open approved positions in the company from this site. The best part, no one needs to update this site. As soon as a position status changes from open approved to something else, it is no longer shown here. It kind of updates itself. If you need to, there is Visualforce page code in the attachment.